Kingfishing mission.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, brother.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Oh man, dude. Oh, I don't know, man. Might be a kingfish. It's underneath you now. It's a kingfish, dude! Oh, shit! It's getting closer. He can't fit in there, dude. He's too big, man. Come here, buddy.
Hold on.
Come here. Come here. I gotta get him up in here somehow. Oh my gosh. Come on, beside me. Come on. Come on. Keep his head out of the water. Come on, hold on. Hold on. Come on, Nick. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh. Oh, shit. There's nothing there. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh man. Dude.
Come on.
Dude. Push him off in the mouth.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh baby. Oh my gosh. Oh. Russ, how you feeling, buddy?
I'm on top of the world right now.
Yeah. That's a beaut. Man.